Hey beautiful, it's Nancy, also known as the Lipstick Boss, your midlife makeup expert. Today I want to talk to you about 3 things that are making you look older than you are and how to fix it. The first thing is, as we age, our eyebrows start to fade, they disappear, and they're sparse. So we're going to want to go ahead and redefine the brow. And what I do is I use little strokes, little feather-like strokes to recreate that brow, so that it frames your face. And the best color for your eyebrow pencil is going to be the darkest hair strand that you have. Is going to be your best eyebrow pencil color. The second thing that we have that makes us look older is that we lack color on our face. So I want you to get a cream blush. And what you're going to do is you're going to just pop that color right on the apples of your cheek, and then kind of go up towards your eye. That gives you the most natural, fresh look. You can add a little bit to your lips too. The final thing that makes you look older than you are and how to fix it is that most of us will underline our lips. We need to take advantage of that vermilion border, and we need to go right up to that line, even a little bit past with your liner or your lipstick, focusing on the Cupid's bow and then the bottom center. Now, you need to make sure that you're grabbing the right lipstick color as well, because if it's too light or it's too dark, it's going to make you look older than you are. So find that perfect color that matches your personal color palette. I have resources down below if you want to know what your color code is. There's resources down in the description box. There you go. 3 things that are making you look older and how to fix them. Thanks for watching. Mwah. See ya.